What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, February 21st. It's 10:57 a.m. and this is the crypto market update. We have a little blood on the board today, but if you look on the right side of the screen, you can see a lot of red over here, but it looks like we're seeing a little bit of a recovery. Jasmy on an absolute tear the past 24 hours, like literally green beanstalk straight up went, oh man, like you love to see it. So if we take a look, Jasmy breaking out of that 786 here, immediately came up right to the top of the belly of the beast, held it as support, and immediately shot up to where you break above that 786, you can automatically target the 2618 extension. Like in all these videos, it's what I constantly say, and that was a prime example as far as Jasmy today. But right now it's finding some resistance at the 1618, 2618. It hit that at the extension, but now it's finding some resistance and it's currently below the purple moving average here, but it might start to press back up through. And if it can get above 0.016 to 0.017, then we can target 0.022. And we were tracking Jasmy real time in Greece City. Crazy actually, because when it was at 0.008, we're taking levies on it, and look at the take profit right at 0.016. And where did we go to? 0.016, baby. So, you know, the stuff that we're laying out in these videos definitely hits it to a T. The 2024 moonshot template, it's what I use constantly. But let's get into the market now. So the dollar right now, if we look at the 12-hour chart, it is, you know, still maintaining this upwards drift. It's at a key level though. It's right at the 50 moving average and 200 moving averages, which are intersecting right now, looking like they're going to do a golden cross. You have this trend line kind of like that it's finding support on. And then you have this short-term one coming down like this. And if we look at the momentum, it is still curling over here. So if we see that 12-hour TSI go below the zero line, then the dollar is going to come down. If we see it curl up, then we have another pump up. That's for the dollar. Let's take a look at a key thing that we were taking a look at the past year as far as to know if we're going to see a pump or a dump. And that is this chart right here. So we want to see this chart go down. So this is the total crypto market cap the stable coins against the total crypto market cap. We want to see it go down. Every time it goes down with these down moves, we see a nice pump up in cryptos. We saw a little relief bounce on here. So that's why we had a little blood today. But if we take a look at the 12-hour chart, let's see. So we have this kind of trend line coming down like that we got some resistance at. We are seeing some cross ups in the momentum, but the pink and the blue have not yet crossed yet, but it's getting close. So we got to be a little cautious here, because if this starts to really tick up in the momentum, we'll probably pump up to here and then we'll see some more blood in the streets. All the while Bitcoin being at a key level. Let's take a look. Bitcoin being at that 51K level. So let's see. So it broke above the concrete ceiling. It has not come down to retested as support though. Where did we kind of get hung up at? The purple moving average, which we said was the next target. We were holding above for a couple days, and now we have a candle body below it, but the candle hasn't closed just yet. We do have a 3-day sell warning, 2-day sell warning likely, and a 1-day sell warning is likely as well too. So yep, we have the 2-day sell warning there, and then we have, I believe, the 1-day sell warning. Yep, and a lot of 1-day sell warnings. So we were covering in real time in the Discord in the market update section, basically everything that was unfolding to a T. So if you're not in the Discord, link is in the bio, come join the Discord, because I'm keeping people updated in real time as price moves, because, you know, with crypto, things change in a split second. So it's very important to, you know, be on top of it. So join the Discord, link is in the bio if you want real-time updates. But we're in the line in the sand, 51.5K. It was possible that if we broke down from that level, 51.3K, we would come down to, 52.3K. Where was it here? 1 hour candle. We need to get back above 51.3K. If we can maintain above there, then we're in good standing. So we're at 51.1K right now. We're teetering at 50.5K. If we go lower than 50,000 flat is the top of the concrete ceiling. We must hold above there. If we don't, then it's likely it will come down to around like maybe 48K to 46.5K. And to me, that's the line in the sand. We need to hold that level. If anything, we could have a substantial dip to 45K, which is the 1-day 50-day moving average, which is kind of coinciding with these previous highs over here. So like if we see a big sell-off, that's the level that Bitcoin needs to hold. If it doesn't, we're likely going to go to lower 30Ks. So those are the levels. First level is 50K flat. Second level is 48 to 47.5K. And then 47.5K to 46.5K. And then 45K is the last line in the sand. We need to get back above 52K. The altcoins like when Bitcoin is above 52K. And that's where we need to get back above, which is the purple moving average. And if we can get back above there and have the momentum curl up on like the 6-hour chart, and we see this cross back up above the zero line, then we will likely see Bitcoin go up to like 55K to 57K. And that could be kind of when we get a lot more cautious for a bigger rollover. So right now we have the levels we want to see hold, and we need to see the momentum on like the 6-hour chart start to curl up and us reclaim that 52K level. Then looking at altcoins, the other chart, we want to maintain above the 786 that we broke out above. And we came close to retesting it. It's at 220 billion. We had a pop up, made a new high, came back down. So that could have been it as far as the correction that we needed. If we take a look at the 12-hour chart, we definitely need to cross up in the momentum ASAP. We need to come up ASAP. But we did retest the previous high over here. So we did retest that. That could be enough. It definitely could be enough. We have a lot of volume coming through here, maybe a lot of buy volume. We do have a 12-hour sell now signal, but that's no sweat, because during this whole uptrend, the 12-hour sell now sometimes calls the bottoms. That's why we look at higher time frames for the sell now signals to know when to take some money off. So that's fine as far as the 12-hour sell now. But let's take a look at the 3-hour, see if there's any like buy nows coming in or prepare to buy soons. We do have some bullish divergence because we have a low and a lower low in the TSI and the MACD, but we have an equal low here, which is pretty solid as far as us seeing a relief bounce at the very least. So let's see. So nope, there was just some sells up here. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. We do have a trend line coming down like this that you can see, and we're running into it right now. If we can get above there, we're going to have a solid pop up today for altcoins, a nice relief bounce. If that's the case, I'm going to be looking to take some greased up day trade levies. So let's take a look at some potential anomalies as far as what could be a good opportunity here, what's showing some strength. So let's go to anomalies and then we'll end it off. But yeah, very important that Bitcoin holds the levels. If it doesn't, we could see more blood in the streets. There may be some altcoins that do well when there's blood in the streets, like Jasmine. I do see Manta is holding up pretty nice. The AI coins have been doing pretty well. So there's still opportunity in this market when that's the case. So let's see here. So potential anomalies we have, and nothing turbos on the 1-hour chart. 1 hour ago. Let's take a look over here. We have Sui with an anomaly right now. We have Sui's with an anomaly and Turbos, and Turbos is a Sui ecosystem coin. So I might be looking at play Sui. So let's take a look at this. You got Sui. Yeah. I'm going to be looking to play Sui on a day trade levy. We could target $1.85, potentially even up to $2.12. From where it's at right now, that's a potential 10% to 23% move. So I'm going to get into Grease City in the Discord for the premium members with the dogs, and I'll be in the Discord with the regular market updates if anything changes in the charts. But for the day trades, I'll be in Grease City with you guys. So I'm going to end it off. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the Discord and in the next video.